Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for TNPSC Group 1. Start by mastering micro and macro fundamentals, then create a weekly schedule with daily targets and short revisions. Prioritize core topics like demand, supply, national income, fiscal policy, and growth models. Mix textbook study with previous TNPSC papers and timed practice. Track progress, adjust weak areas, and keep concise notes for last-minute review while staying consistent and calm. Begin with one trusted textbook per subject and supplement with concise TNPSC notes to stay exam-focused. Watch short online lectures for tricky topics and use solved paper compilations to learn question patterns. Create your own one-page summaries for each important chapter and highlight formulas, definitions, and key graphs. Balance depth and breadth by allocating more time to high-weight topics and regularly testing yourself under timed conditions to build speed and confidence. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It makes long economics readings easier on the eyes and helps you carry entire reference lists on one device. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals if you want to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Make practice a daily habit by solving previous TNPSC papers and mock tests under exam timing. Review every mistake carefully and note the underlying concept so you don't repeat errors. Use spaced repetition for key definitions, graphs, and formulas, and teach topics allowed to reinforce understanding. Mix objective practice with short essay outlines for potential descriptive questions, and maintain a revision calendar to ensure every topic gets multiple reviews before the exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.